Hey guys, Terry on Down the Road Productions, and we found Garrett and Lucas out here in White Lake riding their Victory and Indian Scout motorcycles. So here we go.
How you guys doing? Yeah, we're on the north side here, just north of Rochester. If you guys come up, the Lakeville Lake is a beautiful area. You can come grab a bite to eat, take these twisties up here. It's sick. You guys gotta come out.
All right.
I got nothing else, man.
Nothing else? And hey man, what year's your bike?
2008 Victory 8-ball. It's 10,000 miles on it. It's a little cruiser.
And real quick, let me get your bike too. You got an Indian Scout?
Yeah, it's a 2023 Indian Scout bobber. The 1198 cubic inch. It's awesome. It's torquey. It's fun. It's light. It has a real low center of gravity, so it feels like a much lighter bike, even though it's like kind of a heavier cruiser. So it gets up and goes too, man. It's sick.
Right on. And we've got Garrett and Lucas, guys. Thanks for being in the video.
Absolutely, man.
Good.
Right on. Welcome back. Terry on Down the Road Productions. What you'll see in the coming clips are me riding our Rocket 3 GT and talking about the Rocket 3 GT and plans for the Goldwing tour that you see behind us. Let's get into this. Thought it might be fun to do a POV type of deal. Guys, let's do it and let's have a great episode. Thank you. Hey there, welcome back for a new episode from On Down the Road Productions, and I think you guys know I'm Terry. This platform appreciates all your support, love, and encouragement. We are really growing. I'll say thank you immediately. Thought I'd try a POV vlog episode on my Rocket 3 GT, and I'll just talk getting our Goldwing ready, my Goldwing ready for a trip up to the west side of Michigan here in about 5 or 6 days. So I cleaned the rims, got the brake dust off the rims, and hand polished, you know, that spray polish you can buy that wipes off. I did the exhaust, chrome exhaust, and some other areas on the bike. During the course of the week, I'll figure out what to pack. I have an Adam Sandoval motorcycle travel bag, so I'll probably just put that behind me in the passenger seat. My plan this weekend is to stay in Glen Arbor at a nice place, and also check out these Michigan Dogman stories. I thought that would be fun for an episode. I am starting to get into cryptozoology, and I've been fascinated with large sharks and the Thunderbird, the legend of the Thunderbird, and I'm not going to try to sell you guys on why I'm getting into cryptozoology. I just thought, since I'll be on the west side of the state, I'll check out Wexford, where the Dogman stories started, and maybe just go over there, check it out, make an episode about that. Thought that would be fun. I would like to see a Thunderbird before I pass away, that's for sure. I believe it's out there. It comes in number 2 behind the Bigfoot sightings in our country. And when you get up into northern Alaska, northern Canada, areas where people you know, don't exist, there are actually areas in Alaska and Canada where no one's ever set foot. There are credible reports of this Bigfoot, well, almost said Bigfoot, but of the Thunderbird. So just imagine something the size of a Piper Cub airplane with a 30 to 50 foot wingspan. Total predator. I'd love to see one before I pass away in my lifetime. It's on my bucket list. They've been seen in Pennsylvania and northern Michigan, Canada, Alaska. Well, that would be great to see something like that. The people I've seen talk about it seem credible to me. This includes law enforcement people and pilots. I'll leave that alone now. I figured it would be fun for me on Saturday to ride M22, roll into Wexford, just see what I see. Definitely spend Saturday and Sunday in Sutton's Bay, Leelanau. I'll hit Wexford going into Glen Arbor. Glen Arbor, Michigan, it sits right on M22. It's a beautiful town. You can canoe there. There's an IGA store, like an old 50s IGA store, and a Michigan store. It's a slice of the way things used to be, and great places to eat and hang out in. So that's my loose plan right now. I'll be booking my room on Saturday and Sunday night here later today, and then of course the rest of the week I'll be in Crystal Mountain with Teresa and family, and golfing, doing some more motorcycle stuff, maybe creating some content for this platform and channel. So that's kind of where I'm at, and occasionally riding the Goldwing. Goldwing's going to get some good miles again in 5 or 6 days. I've been having way too much fun with this rocket. Viewers of this channel will know that I have Metzler ME888 tires on the bike. It totally changed the bike for me, and I just totally enjoy riding the rocket. And you know, just recently we did our clutch fluid, so it's shifting better than ever before, and we're getting closer to 20,000 miles on this bike, which is, you know, kind of cool, because you know, you have two bikes and you've got a 4Runner and a GX460 out there, so I spread myself thin. But the rocket's been getting the favoritism from me this year. It has not run better. I'm so glad I'm not dealing with TFT issues. You can see our Moto Beeline right there that I totally love. I'm recording my ride right now, and if you guys noticed, I put out motorcycle ride summaries each time I ride the bike. And I can change this to a speedometer if I want to, or leave it on this with the odometer and compass that spins around. I kind of like the compass view. Gives me the time, which is 2:13 right now, in military time 14, and I've been going 17 minutes and 15 seconds. You can see right there. And I'm so glad I went with Moto Beeline versus a Garmin or Zumo, which would have been a waste of money. I recommend it for any type of motorcycle out there. You can't go wrong for 220 bucks. I got about 89 miles range left on the bike. I'm getting 36.7 mpg right now, and we'll start flying here in a minute. My brand new Sedici 3 motorcycle helmet via Revzilla. I got this last year. Also got the Sena 50C with a built-in camera. Didn't do nothing with it till now. I got really sick. I got a few medical emergencies handed my way in 2024 when I first got this, and I'd always planned to set it up. I just didn't have the gumption to do it till now. So many distractions, and got demotivated a bit, to be honest with you guys. So the Sedici 50 Sena C, the best part about it is the Harman Kardon speakers. It sounds so good in this helmet. When I listen to my music off my phone, it feels like a high-end home audio system. Harman Kardon, not JBL speakers. The Sedici itself is a tight fit. It's just as good as any other helmet on the market as far as I'm concerned. I'm very excited about it. I'm very excited to use this helmet now going forward when I ride either the Rocket 3 GT or the Honda Goldwing Tour. This helmet will get a lot of use very soon up in Glen Arbor, Michigan. And here, don't have to have a camera now. I had the old GoPro 8 mounted here, and throwing away the old helmet. It's just retired. So something new here, new gear at On Down the Road Productions, of course. We also have new Klim touring pants. It's not always good to ride store-bought blue jeans, for want of a better word, thinking that your legs are safe from road rash or worse. So we got these from Revzilla again, and they were $300. They're ventilated, they look great, great pockets on them. And I wear these now when I tour. And you can see that great Klim logo. Level 3 protection. Just super, super nice. You can see how around your boots, they zip up and they're ventilated, right? Everywhere. Like here's a good shot of the ventilation ports. So you might be thinking, well, hey, black and gray, black attract seat. Wrong, wrong. I've had these out on really hot days and they do fine. They do absolutely fine. So another gear ad here at On Down the Road. Time to wrap up. When this video comes out, I'll be up on the west side of Michigan on the Goldwing behind me, rocking it on M22, Traverse City Bay, the Great Lakes, the Upper Peninsula, Mackinac Bridge, all that cool stuff. The riding on the west side of Michigan State is a really, really great place to be if you own a motorcycle. And I believe the M22 route is considered one of the top 3 or 5 motorcycle routes in the country. And when you're on it, it's like you're on a TV commercial. So hey guys, hey man, thanks for watching this episode. We've got more content coming down the pike. We appreciate you. We're on your side. Life's not fair. If you get knocked down, get back up. Ride safe. Until next episode, God bless. We're thinking of you.